Hello all. Welcome back to the C programming class. I am Raji NR. My sign name is Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, National Institute of Speech and Hearing, Thiruvananthapuram, India. This is my fourth lecture on C programming. In the last class, we learned about different operators: assignment, relational, logical, etc. Now, let us see the following topics: if statement, switch statement, conditional statement. Consider a program where we want to check whether a person is adult or not. So, what input should we give? His age. Then we have to check whether the entered age is greater than or equal to 18 or not. If age is greater than or equal to 18, the message can be printed as adult. If it is less than 18, then message printed should be not an adult. This is the flow chart. Input the age. Check whether age is greater than or equal to 18. If yes, print adult. If not, print not an adult. Stop. This is the logic. Now let us write a program for this. Preprocessor statement, main function where program starts. Age is a variable of integer type. Printing the message on screen, enter your age. Accepting an input from user, let us say 8. It gets stored in variable age. Now, this statement checks whether age variable contains a value that is greater than or equal to 18. Now, age variable stores 8 in it. Is 8 greater than or equal to 18? No. So, the control jumps to else part and prints not an adult. Let us see what will happen if the user entered 22 as age. Preprocessor statement. Main function where program starts. Variable declaration. Age is a variable of integer type. Printing the message on screen. Enter your age. Accepting an input from user. Let us say 22. It gets stored in age. Now, if statement checks whether the age variable contains a value that is greater than or equal to 18. Age has the value 22 in it. Is 22 greater than or equal to 18? Yes. So, it executes next statement and prints adult. Consider another example. A program to check whether a number is odd or even. Preprocessor statement. Main function where program starts. Num is a variable of integer type. Printing the message on screen, enter any number. Accepting an input from user. Let us say 4. 4 gets stored in num. Now, if statement. It checks whether the num mod 2 is equal to 0 or not. Yes, it is equal to 0. So, it executes next statement and prints even. See this if statement. If num mod 2 is equal to 0, means if we divide num by 2, what will be the remainder? 4 is stored in num. Therefore, the remainder obtained when 4 divided by 2 is 0. Now a question. If the user enter 5, how it will work? Think about it. Is condition num mod 2 is equal to 0 true? No, the remainder here is 1, which is not equal to 0. So, the else part will work and it will print odd. This is the syntax of if-else statement. If condition is true, these statements will work. If condition is wrong, it jumps to else part and executes these statements. Now let us consider another branching statement. Switch statement. This is also a branching statement. The switch case statement is used when we have multiple options. For each option, we have to perform a different task. Consider a program. This program prints the name of the weekday when a number is given. For example, if user input 0, the output will be Sunday. If the user input 1, the output will be Monday, and so on. Let us see how this program runs. Preprocessor statement. Main function where program starts. Variable declaration. Num is a variable of integer data type. Prints the text, enter number. User inputs a number, say 2. It gets stored in num. Now the value of num is compared with each case. If it found a match, that set of statements gets executed. For example, if the user entered the value 2, it checks whether it matches with the first case, that is 0. Is 2 equal to 0? No. So, it jumps to next case, case 1. 2 is not equal to 1. So, it jumps to next case, that is case 2. Yes, here the value matches. So, it prints the text weekday is Tuesday and exits the program. Similarly, if the user input 5, the output will be weekday is Friday. So, what will happen if the user input 9? 9 is compared with 0. No, it's not a match. Then it is compared with 1. No. Then it is compared with 2. Not a match. Then it is compared with 3. No. Then 9 is compared with 4. No, it's not equal. Then 9 is compared with 5. Again, not equal. Then 9 is compared with 6, which is also not equal. No cases matches 9. So, it will run the default block and prints the text invalid input. So, this is the syntax of switch case. Consider another branching statement, that is conditional statement. Hope you remember conditional operator. Let us see how this program works. Preprocessor statement. Main function where the program starts. Y is a variable of integer data type. X is a variable of integer data type and it stores value 2 in it. Here, condition is checked. X greater than or equal to 6? That is 2 greater than or equal to 6? No, it is false. So, 5 gets stored in Y. Now, consider this. Here, the value of X is changed to 10. Now check the condition. X greater than or equal to 6. That is 10 greater than or equal to 6? Yes, that is true. So, 6 gets stored in Y. The general syntax is this. If expression is true, expression 1 is executed, and if expression is false, expression 2 is executed. And the value is stored in variable. With that, we came to an end of today's lecture. Hope you all got an idea about branching statements. Thank you.